Hey guys and gals, Mama Bear here with a daily dash of life. Do you ever have one of those days where you're not really in the mood to cook? Well, I'm having one of those days today. I actually just want to be sitting down, crocheting, but I kind of have to. So today I'm making easy peasy mac and cheesy. I'm just going to grab two of these little instant mac and cheese boxes. I have my water boiling already. I'm going to add some salt, a lot of salt, just like you would with any pasta dish. So I opened up my box, I took my cheese packs out, and now I'm going to stir my boiling water. You don't have to, but I like to do this just so that the pasta doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Continue to stir and wait for the water to come back to a rolling boil. I have the heat on high right now, but in a minute, when everything's boiling up really good, I'm going to lower the heat. Okay, instead of a high heat, I'm turning it down to a medium high heat. So for me, it's going to be a 6. You could leave it at 6 or 7. It just depends on your stove. And now I'm going to set my timer to 8 minutes. With only a minute left for my pasta to boil, I'm going to reserve some pasta water. If you are going to be using the pasta water for your dish, make sure you don't put too much salt in your pasta water. Time to drain the pasta. In a pot, I have some butter beginning to melt. Let me go grab my noodles that I just drained. And I'm going to pour in half of a cup of milk. Looks like my butter's already melted. So in goes the cheese packets. Along with the cheese packets, I'm going to add some salt to my dish. Some pepper. My kids like it extra peppery. And now I'm going to add some paprika. Give this a good mix. Now before this gets way too hot, I'm going to add some sour cream for creaminess. I happen to have 3 different cheeses already shredded. I typically keep shredded cheese in the house. I just buy a block of the cheese and then shred it up so that whenever we need it, we'll have fresh shredded cheese. So today what I have on hand is just plain regular cheddar cheese. So I'm adding that to the party. I have some Monterey Jack that's coming to the party. And I also have some Gruyere. That Gruyere is going to add some sharpness. Get everything mixed in. Oh, I'm making a mess today. If you feel like you need some more cheese, add some more cheese. If you feel like you don't, then you're good to go. I'm going to add a little bit of the pasta water. This is also going to help the cheese melt faster. Oh man, that's going to be good. If you want to add some more milk, add some more milk. I want the cheese to get a creamy texture. That looks perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Exactly what I want. And now it's ready to serve. And that's how you go from simple to spectacular in under 10 minutes. Enjoy. Toodles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.